Hi, in this video you are going to learn the position of Urdu alphabets from Fe to the last alphabet Badiye. And this is the third and last part of position of Urdu alphabets. In previous video we had finished up till Ghain and now the next letter is Fe. So we will see the first, middle and ending position of each letter one by one. We will see the first position of letter of Fe. The word is Fakhta, Fe, Alif, Khe, Te and Golhe. To join we will use short form, and Fe will always be written with short form if it is the first letter. We have connected Fe with Alif, and Alif is non-connector, so we can connect Khe with Alif. Now Khe, Te and He, these three letters we can connect. Short form of Khe, short form of Te and short form of He. When it is the last letter, it is written like this. It is just turned downward. One dot of He, two dots of Te. This is Fakhta. Fakhta means dove. Now we will see the middle position of Fe. The word is Safar. Seen, Fe, Re. Safar. Safar means journey. Short form of Seen, short form of Fe, and then Re. You will just turn downward and make the shape of Re, and this is the middle position of Fe. It will always be written with short form. Now the last position of Fe, Be, Re and Fe. Now this is the last position of Fe when it is the last letter. Short form of Be, then we will connect it with next letter Re, and now at the end Fe will be written in full form because this is the last letter of the word. The next letter is Kaf. With Kaf we will take the word Kanchi. Kanchi means scissors. Kaf, Badiye, Noon, Che and Chotiye. Short form of Kaf. All these letters will be connected because these all are connected, and Kaf short form we will write, Badiye short form of Noon, short form of Che like this, and then you will write the short form of Chotiye. Kaf, Re, Noon, Che and Chotiye. Kanchi. Kanchi means scissors. The middle position of Kaf, and the word is Maqsad. Maqsad means purpose. Now Kaf is in the middle. Meme, Kaf, Swad and Dal. Short form of Meme, and again short form of Kaf will be used if it is in the middle. And then we will write the short form of Swad like this. Up till here this is a short form of Swad and Dal. And now you will turn a little bit upward and then downward to make the shape of Dal. We'll put the dot, Kaf, Maqsad means purpose. Now the last position of Kaf, and the word is like. Lam, Alif, Hamza and Kaf. Like mean able, or sometimes this word is used for someone's capability. So like mean able or intelligent. Short form of Lam, and we will connect Alif with this like this in this way. And now for Hamza we will use this short form, and then we will connect it with Kaf, and on this short form actually we will put Hamza. So this is Hamza and Kaf. Hamza gives a sound, so La, Ik. And you have learned the movement also. Over here you can put Zair movement to give the exact pronunciation Laik. Next letter is Kaf, and with Kaf we are going to write the word Kitab. Kaf, Te, Alif, Be. Kitab mean book. Short form of Kaf we will write like this, then short form of Te we will connect it with Alif, and after this we will put this kash of Kaf, two dots of Te, and then last Be will be written with full form. This is the first position of Kaf, and when Kaf comes in the middle, The word is takiya. Te, kaf, je, and he. Takiya. Takiya mean pillow. Short form of te and short form of kaf we will write. Then short form of choti a, and then short form of this last goal he. Like this. Now we will put the dots. Kash, 2 dots of J, and this is takiya. Takiya mean pillow. Now the last and ending position of this kaf, the word is naak. Noon alif kaf. Naak mean nose. Short form of noon will be connected with alif, and we will write the full form of kaf because this is the last letter. The next letter is gaf. With gaf, the word is gaye. Gaf, alif, hamza, and badiye. Gaye mean cow. Over here we will use the short form of gaf, this one, y. Like this rounded position of short form we will write of gaf, and then we will connect it with alif, and this rounded position we use when this kaf or gaf is followed by alif or lam. If kaf and gaf is followed by these two letters alif and lam, then we will use this rounded position. Otherwise we will use this position that you have used in kitab and in takiya, right? Now for hamza we will put this short form and then we will connect it with badiye. Gaye. Gaye. Gaye mean cow. The middle position again, like we have used in kaf, the same rule will be applied for this. And the word is agar, alif, kaf, and re. Agar. Agar mean if. Alif, and then short form of kaf, and then re. Last position of kaf, and the word is ag. Alif mada, and then kaf. And this word will be written in the same way because alif mad a is non-connected and gaf is the last letter, so we can't connect gaf with alif mad a. So ag will be written like this, and this is the last position of gaf. Ag mean fire. The next letter is lam. With lam we will write the word lana. Lam alif noon alif, lana. Lana mean bring. Short form of lam, alif, then short form of noon will be connected with alif, lana. Now the middle position, and the word is jaldi. Jaldi mean early or quickly. Jeem, lam, dal, and choti. Jaldi. Short form of jeem, again we will use a short form of lam, and then dal will be connected with this. Jeem, lam, dal. After dal we can't connect chotiye because dal is non-connected, and chotiye will be written with full form. Jaldi mean quickly. The last word with lam, where lam will be the last letter, that is sal. Seen, alif, lam. Sal. Short form of seen, alif, and then lam will be written separate with full form. Sal mean year. The next letter is meem. With meem we will write the first word mera. Meem, badiye, re, alif. Why badiye? Because over here it is giving a sound. Short form of meem, short form of badiye. It will be connected with re and then alif. Mera mean my. Mera is used for any masculine thing. The next word for middle position of meem is zameen. Ze, meem. Over here we will use chotiye because it is giving e sound. And noon. Zameen. Zameen mean earth. Ze. Now short form of meem, je, and noon. These three letters will be connected. Meem, short form of J, and noon. Zameen. Now the last position of meem, the word is calm. Kaf, alif, meem. Calm mean work. Again we will use rounded position of kaf because it is followed by alif. And now mim is the last letter, it will be written full form. Now for noon we will take the word naam. Noon, alif, mim. Naam mean name. Short form of noon will be connected with alif and then mim will be written with full form. Now when it is the middle letter of the word and the word is janvar. Jim, alif, noon, waw, re. Janvar mean animal. Short form of jim will be connected with alif. Then short form of noon will be connected with waw. Alif and waw are non-connector. And then last letter is re. Re is also non-connector. Now the last position of noon, the word is kan. Kaf, alif, noon. Rounded position of kaf we will use. It is followed by alif. And now the last letter of noon, it will be written in full form. Kan is ear. The next letter is waw. And for waw we will take the word wo. Waw and he. Wo. And it can be connected because waw is non-connector and it will not be connected with he. So this is the full word wo. This word wo is used for pronoun he, she, that and they. For these four pronouns we use the same word wo. Now when it comes in the middle, the word is sona. Seen, waw, noon, alif. Sona mean to sleep. Short form of seen, waw, it will be connected with waw and then a noon and alif will be connected. So this is sona. Sona mean to sleep. Now the last position of waw, the word is bolo. Be, waw, lam, waw. Bolo means speak or say. Speak something in Urdu we will say kuch bolo. Short form of be will be connected with waw and then short form of lam will be connected with waw. Because waw doesn't have short form, that's why it will be written in full form everywhere. Next letter is he. This is gol he and this is a bit tricky he because it has three different short forms. When it comes in the beginning, in the middle and at the end, it has three different short forms. The word is hathi, he, alif. Te with do chashmi he. I'm going to write te with do chashmi he. So it is th and then choti a. Hathi. Hathi mean elephant. Now if this he is the first letter, you will use this short form. This one, first you will connect it with alif and then you will put the hook shape underneath for this he. Ha and then you will connect th with choti a. Th and choti a. Hathi. The word is behan. Be, he and noon. Now you see he is in the middle and now how to write this he? Now we are going to write short form of be like this because it is followed by he and he you will write like this. Downward it will be in a pointed shape and then you will connect it with noon. So this is be, this is he, hook of he you can put and then noon. And now the last position of this he, the word is vajha. Waw, jim and he. Now he is the last letter. Look how to write he if it is the last letter. Waw, this is non-connected and jim and he will be connected. Short form of jim. And to write short form of he, we will just turn it downward like this. This is actually the short form of this gol he when it comes the last letter. Jim, dot of jim and the word is vajha. Vajha means reason. The next letter is hamza and hamza is not usually used as a separate letter. It is used with the other letters to give a sound. So like in the beginning, we don't use hamza in the beginning of any word. The word is baka, where hamza will be used as the last letter because in the beginning it is not used. Alif and then hamza. Baka. Baka means survival. Short form of Bay, short form of Kaf will be connected with Alif. The last letter is Hamza, where it is giving for a sound. This Alif and a sound will be mixed together. I'll show you the word where Hamza will be used with other letters to give a sound. A word is I. I is the second form of come. Like the first form is A and second form is I. I mean came. Alif Mada and then Hamza and then Badiye. Over here Hamza is giving a sound. A. Now the second last letter is Chotiye. Chotiye and Badiye, they both give j sound in the beginning, and for Chotiye we will use the word Jad. J, Alif and Dal. Now this Choti and Badiye short form, it is always written as a short form when it is the first letter. It will be connected with Alif. Over here it is giving J sound. So this is Ja and then Dal. Jad. Jad mean memorize or to remember. Now the next letter is Zahin, where Choti A will be in the middle. Zal, He, Choti A and Noon. Zahin. And now you see over here it is giving E sound, because when Choti A comes in the middle or at the end it gives E sound. So this is Zahin, Zal, short form of He, short form of J, and it will be connected with Noon. So this is Zahin. Over here it is giving E sound. Zahin mean intelligent. Now the last position of Chotiye when it comes as the last letter, and the word is Meri. Meem, Badiye, Re and Chotiye. Now you see over here I have used Badiye because it is giving A sound, and at the end I have written Chotiye because it is giving E sound. Short form of Meem, short form of Badiye with 2 dots underneath, and then it will be connected with Re, Me, Re, and at the end this Chotiye is giving E sound. Meri. Meri mean my. As I told you that Mera is also my. Okay, so Mera will be used for any masculine noun and Meri will be used for any feminine noun. Now we reach the last letter, Badiye. The word is Mera. Meem, Badiye, Re and Alif. Again I am giving the same example with Mera because over here Badiye is giving A sound. Short form of Meem, short form of Badiye, Re and then Alif. Mera. If Badiye comes as the last letter, again it will give A sound, and the word is Parinde. Parinde. Pe, Re, Noon, Dal, Badiye. Parinde mean birds. This is the plural form of Parinda. Parinda is one bird and Parinde is birds. Short form of Pe, Re, then short form of Noon, it will be connected with Dal, and over here Noon is as a silent letter, so this is Parin, and then Dal, and the last letter is Badiye, that is giving A sound. Parinde. Parinde mean birds. So this is the middle position of Badiye and this is the last position. And why I haven't written the first position of Badiye? Because first position of Badiye and Chotiye, it is the same like you have written over here, Chotiye first position. Okay. Actually, Badiye is mainly used as the last letter of the word. So this is for now, and see you soon in our next videos.